Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to update your USCIS address online with eCOA. Updating your address online through your USCIS account is the fastest and most reliable way to meet the legal requirement of notifying USCIS about your move. It ensures your case continues to be processed without delays and that you receive all official correspondence and benefits at your new address. Using the online system also eliminates the need to mail in Form R11 Aliens Change of Address card, as updates are processed almost immediately. Most individuals can use the Enterprise Change of Address eCOA self-service tool, which is available in the My Account menu of your USCIS online account. If you don't yet have an account, visit USCIS's guide on creating one. However, some users may not be eligible for this feature. Please refer to the specific procedures for certain populations section on the USCIS website for more details. Even if you initially submitted your case by mail, you can still change your address using your USCIS online account. Be sure to enter the receipt numbers for all pending benefit requests when updating your address. Including these ensures your information is updated across all relevant cases, so you won't miss any important updates or benefits from USCIS.